So Arush, for the next sum, where we have z1, z2, which are two complex numbers, such that mod of z1 plus z2 is equal to mod z1 plus mod z2. Find the value of argument z1 minus argument z2. See, to solve this problem, ये actually oral question. You can do this orally, provided you know one property of modulus. तो ये पहले हम डिस्कस करते हैं. Let us see if you already know this property of modulus. If we have mod of x plus y. Now, do you know
Yeah.
this, that mod of x plus y is always less than equal to mod x plus mod y?
Hmm.
कुछ एग्जांपल्स लेते हैं तो ये समझेगा. सो लेट्स टेक सम एग्जांपल्स लाइक x इज इक्वल टू, आई एम टेकिंग एनी रैंडम नंबर, -7, y इज इक्वल टू 5 ले लेते हैं. चलो, सो व्हाट
हाँ.
इज mod of x plus y?
रूट
It will be
सेवन
mod
स्क्वायर.
of -2, which is 2. नहीं नहीं, ये हम
अच्छा.
कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. लाइक विल कम
X.
टू कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स. फॉर द टाइमिंग वी आर जस्ट डिस्कसिंग बेसिक मॉड्यूलस प्रॉपर्टी.
Hmm. So minus
And
one.
mod x plus mod y will be mod of -7 plus mod
Minus
of y.
seven plus
तो ये
mod of
12 हो
y.
जाएगा.
हाँ.
ठीक है, ये समझा.
Yes.
So the thing is, when the numbers have opposite signs, यहाँ पे opposite signs है -7 -5, then mod of x plus y will be less than mod x plus mod y. Let's see what happens if we have two numbers which have the same sign. So
Hmm.
when I say same sign, it is, let's say, 7 and 5.
हाँ.
टोटली करता है आरुष, पता है इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? व्हाट विल बी मॉड ऑफ?
12.
तो ये 12 हो जाएगा. एंड दिस विल आल्सो बी 12.
12.
इन दैट केस वी
हाँ.
कैन, इन दैट केस वी कैन से दे आर इक्वल.
Yeah.
ओके. कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स में क्या होता है कि z1 z2 का एज सच साइन नहीं होता. लाइक z1 and
Hmm.
z2 are not just numbers, they have I also attached with it, right? So we never say
Yeah.
z1 is positive, z2 is negative. ऐसे नहीं होता. So in this complex numbers, this property will be true only when z1 will be equal to z2.
Yeah.
So for all other z1 and z2, it will be less than, like modulus of z1 plus z2 will be less than mod z1 plus mod z2, but it will be equal only when z1 is equal to z2.
Hmm.
If they are the exact same complex numbers, then. So do
Yes.
you realize, Arush, in that case, argument z1 minus argument z2 will be 0?
See that. Yes, sir.
That's the answer.
Yeah.
Then shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Chal, next one, the fourth one. So argument z is between minus pi and minus pi by 2. We have to find argument of z bar minus argument of minus of z bar. So do you remember any property related to argument of z bar?
Yes, sir. Sir, argument.
So see, Arush, argument z is minus pi to minus pi by 2. Now this is 0, this is minus pi by 2, and this is minus pi. So if argument z is here, what does that mean? That the point is in third quadrant. So z is equal to x plus iy होता है, बराबर. But because it is third quadrant, I am writing minus x minus iy, so that you understand it is in third quadrant where x and y both are negative.
Yeah.
Okay. So now when we talk about z bar, Arush, अच्छा ये third quadrant है, ठीक है, यहाँ पर लिख देता हूँ मैं. This is third quadrant. This is z basically. Now, when we talk about z bar, Arush, z bar matlab conjugate. What will be conjugate of this? So this will become
X
positive.
minus X plus I.
So now x is negative, y is positive. So do you realize, Arush,
So
this will
second
be
quadrant. Yes.
second quadrant. This is z bar.
Yes.
Okay. तो ये हमने figure out कर लिया that this is second quadrant. And minus of z bar जो है, Arush, minus of z bar हो जाएगा x minus iy, which is going to be fourth quadrant.
Fourth quadrant. Yes.
तो फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में दिस इज माइनस ऑफ z bar.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, when we say argument z bar, what does that mean? That means the angle which this z bar is making with a x axis ऐसा, this angle.
Uh,
Oh, sorry. ये angle हम ऐसे calculate करते हैं, positive x axis है. Are you following this?
yeah.
And argument of minus z bar will be this angle.
Yeah.
इसका difference चाहिए यार. So do you realize the difference is this much? Like this is the difference.
Yeah.
What is this angle?
180. So 5.
180. Pi is the answer. The difference is pi. And you can also think about this ऐसा ये एकदम opposite है एक दूसरे से, एकदम एक straight line पे है ये.
Mm.
So the difference is 180. It is like you can say mirror image about origin.
Yes, sir.